basically today we're just gonna walk you through different steps. A typical workshop would be about 2.5 hours long.
Okay.
So we're kind of, we did some steps for you, but you're still gonna get to do the process.
Okay, great.
So we're gonna have you put on one of our fancy aprons. And then we're gonna kind of go around the table. So what you're gonna make today is a round tray for the holidays.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these. We're gonna take this block of sandpaper and I'm gonna have you sand with the grain.
With the grain.
You're gonna do the top and you're gonna do the sides.
This takes me back to my childhood. I remember growing up, I had 3 brothers and me, so a family with 4 kids. My dad worked full-time. My mom was a stay-at-home mom. And when it came down to the holidays, we would craft. That was the way that we would decorate our Christmas tree. So we would make items from scratch.
This year we're offering in November Friendsgiving workshops, so you can book private tables and we'll set the table with some fun Friendsgiving items, and we have wine and you can bring in food. And so it's just gonna go quick like a Band-Aid, straight up. And then I will take the stencil from you. Perfect.
Oh my gosh, how stinking cute is that?
Perfect.
All right, everybody, so AR workshop here in Loudoun County. They also have one out in Reston. I will post a link to that in the video bio, so make sure that you check that out. Thank you both for having me. I appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to call me, text me, email me, and I look forward to talking with you soon.